the Spanish alphabet. A, B, C, D. No, wait a minute. No, we are going to go into detail. I'm going to teach you not just the alphabet and how to, how every single letter is called in Spanish, but also how to pronounce every sound. Okay, it's gonna be a very intensive lesson, but it's gonna make your Spanish level to go up through the roof. So let's go for it. Welcome to Spanish with Crash. Let's go for it quickly. Okay, remember, suscríbete. Please, thank you very much. It's just so you don't miss out any videos, and then that also motivates me to keep on making videos, so thank you. Right, let's go for it quickly. First letter, A. A. Tongue is sitting just at the front of the mouth, and the mouth is not really doing anything. A. A. Adiós. Avión. B. B. Put your lips together. Build pressure and release while voicing. B. B. Barcelona. Burro. C. C. Rest your top teeth on your tongue, but the tongue has to be in between your teeth, and then breathe air out. Right, I need to explain something here. The letter C, it is pronounced in two different ways depending what letter, what vowel is next to it. So for example, if the vowel A, the letter A, comes after the letter C, we would pronounce the C like this. K, k, k. So it would be ga, ga, k, k. But this happens when the letter A comes after the letter C, the letter O, or the letter U. If the letter or the vowel E, U, E comes after the letter C, then we would pronounce C like this. Th, th, thi, thi, de, de, de. Touch the back of the top teeth with your tongue. Build up air pressure with your tongue. Then make the sound and release the tongue quickly after. De, de. It's a bit disgusting when you make, the sound on its own. You're spitting, literally, you're spitting. So yeah. For example, dado, dado, dedo, dedo, dedo. That's perfect. The word dedo is perfect. Let's go to these, to theirs. So dedo, de, dedo. E, e. The mouth is half closed, half open, and the tongue half raised. Stretch out your lips slightly and make this sound. Elefante, elefante. F, F, F. Press your top teeth against your bottom lip, and then there has to be high pressure airflow forced through the mouth. Fiesta, fiesta, fiesta. G, G. So tighten your throat and breathe the sound out. It's like a breath of air from a tightened throat. Right, here, same. It depends where this letter is, in which word is used, it will be pronounced in one way or another. So, first rule, is that if the G, la G, is before the vowel A, O, U, we will pronounce the G like this. G, 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 Ga, Go, Gu, Ga, Go, Gu. Gato, gorro. If the letter G is before the vowel E, then we will pronounce it as G, 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 G. La H, H. There's no sound, it's silence. However, if the H is right after a C, like shown here, then it would be like ch, ch, ch. Like in the word of chair, chair. So ch, 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 the same. La J, J, J. Julio, Julio, Julio. La K, 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 K. Kilo, kilo. La L, L.
Put your tongue just behind the upper teeth. The tongue moves down when you produce the sound.
L, 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 L. Lugar, luego. La M, M.
Put your lips together, relax tongue, vibrate the sound through the nose.
Mamá, mamá. La N, la N, N.
The tongue against the ridge behind the top teeth. Block the mouth completely. Voice out through the nose.
La the famous ñ, okay, that only exists in Spanish. So very important to learn this letter. So pay attention. So la ñ, ñ.
Place the tongue on the palate, almost as you would with the N, but instead of putting only the tip, you do it with as much of the tongue as you can.
Ñ, 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 ñ. Niño, niño, niña, niña. La O, O.
Tongue low, lips rounded and open.
O, O, O. La P, P.
Put your lips together and build pressure, and then open the mouth and push pressure air out.
¿Por qué? ¿Por qué? La Q, Q. K, 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 k. Similar to, just the same as the letter K or th if it's in front of A or U. But this letter, you will always find it in front of the vowel sound U. But it wouldn't be cool, cool. It would just be like, just pretend the U doesn't exist. Okay, so that's it. Just pretend it doesn't exist. So for example, in the word quiero, quiero, okay? Just pretend that U doesn't exist. If you see the Q, la Q, U and E or E, just forget about the U in between the Q and the other sound and the other letter. Just ignore it. This is hard. La R, la R. So that, as you know, as you've probably noticed, there are two ways to pronounce this sound. First is simple, should be simple for you. It's like da 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 da, like in the in the word butter, but in an American accent. So butter, butter, butter. That's it. I can say that word, then fine. If you're American, it will be a lot easier for you. Butter, butter, that one. That's the soft R in Spanish. Quiero, quiero, quiero. Oh. Ra, 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 ra. Oh, perro, perro. Rrr, rrr. Rrr, 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 rrr. La S. La S. And it sounds like S.
Clench the teeth slightly, the tongue behind the teeth, and then direct airflow through the gap between your tongue and the teeth.
Sofa, sofa, sofa. La T, la T.
Touch the top of your mouth with your tongue. Build up air pressure with the tongue, and then breathe air fast and release the tongue quick after.
T, 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 T. Tiempo, tiempo, tiempo. La U. U. So to make this sound, it's very simple. It just sounds that's the same as the letter is called. So fantastic. But anyway, to make this sound,
Round your mouth very tightly, and then just relax the tongue, and then produce the sound.
U, U, U. La V, la V. Okay, I'm not going to take any time telling you how to pronounce this one. It just sounds the same as the letter B. Okay, we don't make any different sounds, any different sound. Not like in English, for example, where you use for B, for the letter B, you would say B, 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 but for the letter V, you will use the sound as V. But in Spanish, it's just the same one sound for both letters. B. So, Victor, Victor, not Victor, Victor. La W. There aren't many words in Spanish with this letter. I can't come up with any, to be honest. So it's just gonna be really simple for you, but still, I'll tell you how to pronounce this letter. So la W is just as the same as G, as the letter G. Okay, so but always it will never sound like G. It will always be just G. La X, la X. The same. It's just there's not many ways to. It just sounds like there's not actually a way to pronounce. There's not many letters either that starts with in Spanish that has this sound, this letter. You might see it in words like Mexico or Texas, but then we would pronounce it that Mexico, Mexico, Texas. La Y, Y, ya, yo, ya, ya, yo. La theta.
Rest your top teeth on your tongue, but the tongue has to be in between your teeth, and then breathe air out.
So that's it for today. That's the lesson. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, suscríbete, dale me gusta, comparte y en la descripción encontrarás mis redes sociales. So that's it for today. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time. Take care. Gracias. Hasta luego.